So today I'd like to show you how you can work on a website and update your portfolio images and design your website inside Fiori.ai. So I go into website settings here. It is located on the left sidebar. You click website here and then it opens all of the steps to build your website. So you can include your brand name, you can include a little nav bar display. So for example, I do this here. You can upload your logo if you'd like it to be uploaded, and you can also use a brand kit to set your primary colors, upload your logo, and select your fonts. So everything is super customizable, which I love. So every floral designer feels that is not like a basic cookie cutter website, is basically your custom built website, and it is super easy to use. So when I put anything on any settings here, I can always preview how it will look on my main page and see if I like it or no. So this brand settings are super simple to update, as well as you can always save draft before publishing. You just saving it so you're not losing your work. When we go to hero, we can select a hero, so it is basically your large signature here for your name, for your branded name. And you can use single word or two lines, like for example chic and then flowers here. Yeah, so, and let's see how it looks on a website. So you can do this way, or you can just disregard or just one line here. I'm gonna leave one line. I really like how it looks, just one line. So then you can upload your background image. Just make sure it's not too large of a size, so the system accepts it. Then you can use your brand kit typography. So basically your heading font, you can select some different fonts. For example, let's see how it looks with this font. Yeah, you see it's a little bit different wording, like different fonts settings. And this located at the bottom of hero image, and the typography, you can select fonts for every page you're working on, every step you're working on. So right now I just want to use this font, and then for body I would like to use the same font, and then let's check how it looks. That's perfect. Okay, so right now let's go to About Us page. So a little story about you, a little something that you would like to include, something personal, and then image, your image, and then you can replace your image. You can select the font as well, the one that you would like to use. I would like to use, for example, Italiana, and then body font, I would like Lotto. And then we can check how it will look inside, and your story located here. So right now let's go back and let's finally I can show you services, how you can add your services. So you can add the services, what you are specialized like specializing, and what's your main service area, like floral design, conceptual design, wedding flowers in Southern California. So this is something for SEO as well, so make sure you include flowers, wedding flowers, and things like this in the service. in your services. So finally we go to portfolio, and that's what I mentioned I would like to add today, a new portfolio. So you have 10 images, and we feel like you don't have to have more than 10 images to showcase the existing wedding. So let's call it, for example, let me check. Add portfolio, and I'm call it wedding ball. And the reason why I always include the venue name where we did this wedding, because it's always always gonna be super good for SEO as well. So right now let's add images. I have my images in a folder here, and I'm just gonna open them. Wedding gallery, and I think it's. And let's say your images are too large to upload to the website, and we don't want to use large images that take, I mean, the size of the image inside should be less than 10 megabytes. So if it's 25, if you see some larger number, it's better to resize. And I use this bulk resize photos, so it's super easy. You can select the photos you would like to resize. And you see this one is still loading a little bit. I wait until it's loaded from the iCloud. So I want to use this one as well. So I'm selecting all the photos. This is so gorgeous. Okay, let's wait until this one is loading as well. And then we're coming back here. So okay, it's ready. I mean, I don't know what happened here, but let's open these images, and I use image quality 75%, so it doesn't look like it was resized, but the scale images to 50% of the original dimensions, and image format JPEG. So basically, and we can just put start here, and it's gonna be resized. So it's saved in a folder here, and I'm gonna put this folder here on the desktop, so it's easier to use right now. And we will check the folder on the desktop, and then okay, let's check where is this folder here. Okay, here is the folder. We will open the folder, so the images are resized. Where they are? Where did you go? Okay, so right here. Okay, so the images appeared in the folder here, and then now we are ready to input them into the gallery. So add image, and we're choosing the ones that were resized. Let's check. Okay, so let's put this image first, and you can select the images that you would like to be on your main page. Now let's add more images. A beautiful coastal wedding, and gorgeous bride. So when we upload all the images, they will be appearing in our portfolio, and we can put a little star icon on any image you would like to showcase on your front page. I think it's the same one, so I'm not gonna use it again. This one is beautiful. So you have up to 10 images, and you can upload wonderful images of the wedding you just did. Perfect. And if you feel like if it's not enough 10 images for one gallery, you can name it again and add more images. For example, the same wedding ball La Jolla and you want to add another 10 images, you can always do that. And this is very good for SEO as well, because you can you basically type in that you worked at this location, and when people search in wedding florist and wedding ball La Jolla, for example, they will find you. So let's save draft and let's see how it looks. Our new, okay, let me select image that I would like to be on the front, like a thumbnail, and let's preview how it will appear here. So you see this gallery is here, all the images uploaded. So you don't have to send them to your developer. It's super simple to work on your website on your spare time and just updating your galleries every week. Sometimes, we have a lot of weddings and we have a lot of images that need to be updated. So this is made to simplify your life and my life, and everyone's is happy with the process. So how it works section is about your process, how you, for example, how they inquire for a wedding and then design you start in design process. And then while this is something I put on my website, it's time to relax. While we handle all the details, you can savor every special moment leading up to your event. Yeah, so something nice, but again, something to make sure SEO friendly wording, so it helps people to find your website online. Featured in, if you were featured in somewhere, you can input the logos of your features and input your SCN in. Reviews. So for reviews, we figured no one believes anymore those written down messages, because you can just make them up. So we decided we can add screenshots from Google reviews, from even from the phone texts you receive from couples. Sometimes it's so nice to receive a phone text from a couple you did a wedding, and they are so thankful for what you did for the florals, but they never leave you a review on any social platforms. So you can just screenshot that text message and include them in your review section, as well as postcards. Sometimes they send you cards with little thank you notes. So this is something you can include on your website as well. And the section for the reviews is located here. And people, so nice to read all the reviews. And it's an actual review from a person. And okay. Now we go to Instagram section, and Instagram section I will make another video on how you can install Instagram to your website. You need to generate a token, and token generated inside your Meta Suite, and it's all you can read this description here, and I will make another video tutorial on how you can install Instagram to your website. And let me show you how it looks. So Instagram grid, we made it super beautiful with the videos playing. So instead of only stock images, videos are playing as well. And you know what's good about this? You have a beautiful mobile version as well, and the Instagram grid is actually similar to the Instagram, so it's all images are a little bit more widened, and it looks so good. So this is something you can work on as well. And then, okay, let me go back. So your call to action buttons are located in CTA section here, and call to action you can include express inquiry form or detailed brief. Okay, let me go over the express inquiry. You can see it here. So request a quote, And when they request a quote, you go into classic form, but what's important here, you have a feature of Pinterest board, so your actual potential client can include the Pinterest board, so all the images will be uploaded. Let me show you, because this is so cool. You will receive images and fetch images, so they all will be fetched here, and then they type in the name, maybe not my name, maybe something else. Let me put Elo, and Elo at gmail.com, and phone number. Let's put something else. Okay, and the date, we'll put something like this. Select a budget range, and then little message, love pink, for example, and then Pinterest connected, send inquiry. They are sending inquiry. You'll receive email with an inquiry, as well as you receive a nice, beautiful starting point of your proposal. Thank you for your inquiry. We send a confirmation email to your inbox. So they will receive a confirmation email, as well as you will have a nice inquiry and event created inside your database. So you don't have to input all the information yourself. Your client already created event for you. So you can just work on the event inside and on design as well. So let's show, so it opened bride name, and everything what she included. And let's see here, all the images that were fetched from the Pinterest board, they will be included in your inspirational section here. So which is super important as well. So you don't have to input all the images yourself. But anyways, let's go back to the website. I'll make another video on how you can create event and different options, but express inquiry form or detailed brief. Detailed brief is something different, is something that your client actually will fill out for you, and it's basically, I'm just gonna show you how it looks here. So this is something that you always also can include as a detailed brief, and your client will fill out this form. It's more interactive, it's more fun to fill out, and we have a big feedback from clients, from florists who are using this brief. They see a spike in bookings after they use this brief, because couples, they don't want to wait a lot right now. And okay, so they filled out, I'll show you, they included colors, they selected colors, they selected vibe of the wedding, they can include Pinterest board as well. And let's select this one, fetch images, all the images here, let's select here, and then they open in your recipe gallery. Everything what you include in the site theory, it will show here, and you have options not to show everything. You have a control what you would like your clients to see. They can select boutonnieres, corsages, ceremony florals. So basically they kind of starting a proposal for you, and for example, arches, reception tables. So everything what they need for their wedding, they can select here, and then they click continue, and they see if they are within the budget or the budget is a little bit too much. So they can click here. You selected arrangements, total 21,000. So they can see a detailed brief with everything what they selected, which they love. And then they can include a note for you. So I love more pink, need a consultation. Okay, and then they leave a name. Strawberry, let's say, and email strawberry. Let's put something else, straw. And then straw is email. I'm just making it up so we can demo here. Oh yeah, it's a lot of numbers. Okay, send in my brief. So they send you inquiry in the form of a brief, and this is super helpful for a client to see everything, what estimated total, and it's not it's not yet a proposal, but it's a starting point as well. You go to all events page and you will have a new inquiry created named straw. You see the inquiry here. You click on this inquiry and information opens up about everything what they selected. So they have the wedding day, budget, event date, location, and for example here they have all the even colors they chose for event, for this personals, flowers, the images, and everything what they selected inside the brief will appear here. And you have also option to view original brief. Everything what they selected here, that will be in original brief in here. So super good, super simple to use, and something for your client to view before they even contact you. And you can preview proposal, you can update this image here, and it's ready to go. How nice it is, right? Yeah, uploading image, adding little notes, little personal note here, and your proposal is ready. The only thing you can add is delivery price, setup price, maybe suggested items if you'd like to suggest something. We have the suggestions. You can suggest an arch, you can suggest a different floral piece, anything you'd like to suggest you can include here. And yeah, so basically you have a lot of options with your website. So CTAs are fun to use. Every express inquiry for some florists works perfectly fine. Some florists, they enjoy using brief, and for me personally, I use both. I use express inquiry on my website, but detailed brief is something I use for Instagram and my social platforms. So they kind of have both experiences. And okay, so once we have the CTA selected, you have the secondary CTA optional, like portfolio button or anything you would like to include here, like follow us on Instagram, anything you have. You can have another button. Let me show you, like portfolio and request a code, and then your domain. So for the domain, once you have your domain included here, it's a little bit of descriptions and URLs. You will have unique codes that need to be installed inside the DNS. Verification typically takes 24 to 48 hours, and we are happy to accommodate if you have any troubles to verify it. But this usually takes for 24 to 48 hours to verify your domain. SEO is something we are constantly working on because we want your website to be on first page of Google, and you can include your keywords. You can include descriptions here because this is important so people can find you online. I wish you a beautiful day and wish you have success with this website editor, and I will see you later.